Today we'll talk about how can you enable trades on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on platform. You just click on it. You come here to trades, and here can you enable click trade here, and here can you enable here click close in here. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your app. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.